Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to stop Roblox lag on your Chromebook. First, make sure to close all other tabs and applications that are not essential. This frees up valuable memory and processing power. Next, check that your Chromebook's operating system is completely up to date, as updates often include performance improvements. Finally, confirm your internet connection is stable and fast enough, ideally at least 25 megabits per second, to support online gaming. Now, let's dive into Roblox's in-game settings. A crucial step is to lower the graphics quality to its minimum. This significantly reduces the visual load on your Chromebook's processor. Additionally, decrease the render distance, which means your device renders fewer objects at once. For even better performance, try playing Roblox in a smaller window instead of full-screen mode, as this demands less from your system's resources. Beyond Roblox itself, there are specific Chromebook optimizations. Regularly clearing your browser's cache and cookies can prevent slowdowns by removing old data. If you're experiencing visual issues, consider temporarily disabling hardware acceleration in your Chrome settings, though this is often a last resort. For the most stable and fastest connection, especially if your Wi-Fi is unreliable, try using a wired Ethernet connection if your Chromebook supports it. For persistent lag, some advanced troubleshooting steps can help. A simple yet effective solution is to fully restart both your Chromebook and your Wi-Fi router. This often resolves many temporary issues. Keep an eye on your Chromebook's task manager to identify and close any applications consuming excessive resources. If all else fails, a complete reinstallation of Roblox can clear corrupted files and provide a fresh start, often resolving stubborn performance problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.